Welcome to Appspotr Academy. In this tutorial, we'll cover the Open Web Page Logic block, which lets your app open specified web addresses in external browsers. It's ideal for directing users to websites, support pages, or other online resources. For instance, imagine your app includes a help button that redirects users to a comprehensive online support page. By using the Open Web Page Logic block, you can easily guide users to the right resource. Let's walk through the steps to add and configure the Open Web Page Logic block in your workflow. Drag the Open Web Page Logic block into your workflow to integrate it into your application. Next, connect the Open Web Page block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the web page opening when it occurs. Click on the Open Web Page block to open its configuration settings. Here are the key configuration steps. Define the input by entering the web address that you want the users to be redirected to. This address will be the destination when the event is triggered. Next, you can also set a default web address inside the logic block to ensure that users are always directed to a specific page unless another address is provided. Set the output data to include the web address, ensuring that you can track or modify the destination dynamically if needed. Finally, set up toast messages for on-success and on-error scenarios. These messages will notify users whether the web page was successfully opened or if there was an issue.